Hi, I'm Robert Young, owner and founder of the Texas Note Company. Thanks for tuning in. You know, I've been in the mortgage business now for going on 10 years. I've worked for Allied Irish Bank, Santa Barbara Bank and Trust. I've worked at Dell Computer, done a lot of different things, but there's always one kind of underlying issue that I want to talk to you today, and that is about if you're a seller of property and you're going to use owner financing. I want to talk to you about your borrower. Make sure that the person that you're selling the property to and and offering financing to is somebody that you can communicate with at a professional level, somebody that will take your calls, and somebody that you don't have to like them, you don't have to dislike them. It's just somebody that is receptive to your calls and will discuss the nature of your mortgage note with them. And the reason I say that is that we're involved in a transaction right now where the actual borrower on the note, not a very nice person, not very cooperative at all. It is prolonging the sale of the note, frustrating our seller quite a bit. I think if they originally would have sold their property to a borrower, somebody else, maybe that there wasn't a somebody else, that can always be an issue, but somebody that would be receptive to their calls, would help them out, because in the long run for this particular borrower, the fact that they're selling their note to us is going to be good for that borrower. Their credit will be reported. They'll get a statement every month. They'll get their 1099 or 1098 at the end of the year, their IRS reporting, all that good information. It's good for the borrower. But this particular borrower has a common name, and when we've run title on the property, because his name is so common, there are IRS liens, there are child support liens, all sorts of things that could be resolved with a simple affidavit and his driver's license said, hey, I'm not any of these people, I do that. But because he's not very cooperative in this particular incident, it's taking us a long time to get that information. So my warning or message to you is, if you're selling your property, make sure it's somebody that you can communicate with and somebody that's receptive to your calls. And if you ever have any questions about that, you can call us here at the Texas Note Company, because we do have a lot of experience dealing with borrowers that aren't always receptive to those types of calls. You can reach us at 512-464-1214 by the phone, or you can look us up on the web at texasnoteco.com, and we can help you with your real estate transaction and owner finance. I'm Robert Young. Thanks for tuning in.